Have you ever let your gaze wander up to the moon and wondered about its effects on our agriculture? Well, today we're going to delve into a fascinating concept known as the Lunatic Cycle, a key component of biodynamic farming. This holistic approach to agriculture emphasizes the interconnectedness of soil, plants, animals, and celestial rhythms, with the moon playing a pivotal role. The lunatic cycle is deeply rooted in the belief that the moon's gravitational pull directly impacts the flow of moisture in plants and soil, as well as the behavior of insects and other organisms. By aligning agricultural activities with the moon's phases, biodynamic farmers aim to optimize everything from plant growth and nutrient uptake to pest control. So, how does the lunatic cycle come into play in biodynamic farming? Let's break it down. First up is planting. Different types of crops are sown during specific phases of the moon. For instance, root crops like carrots and potatoes are planted during the waning moon when the moon is decreasing. Conversely, leafy greens and grains find their way into the earth during the waxing moon when the moon is increasing. Next, we have cultivation. Activities such as soil preparation, weeding, and other cultivation practices are timed in accordance with the lunar phases. Picture this. During the new moon, when the moon's gravitational pull is weaker, it is believed that the soil is less compact. This makes it an ideal time for tilling and planting. But what about harvesting? Well, some biodynamic farmers hold the view that crops harvested during certain lunar phases boast better flavor and nutritional content. Consequently, they may time their harvest to coincide with these specific lunar phases. In essence, the lunatic cycle in biodynamic farming serves as a guide to optimize agricultural practices in harmony with natural rhythms. The ultimate goal? To promote soil health, plant vitality, and overall sustainability. Quite a moonlit journey, isn't it?